We are going to make my steering wheel look great again. So I'm starting off, I'm just using some simple green to clean off the steering wheel really, really well and get all the little grease and grime and dust and nastiness off of it.
Hello.
This is, originally, this is exactly how the steering wheel looked. It didn't really have any color on it at all. It was just kind of this black plastic. And but I wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I figured I'd get some blue, and I get some white, and I get some white for the letters, and we'll letter it with nail polish, and put some clear coat on it, and see how it holds up.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. So I've gone and wrapped it with some foil and some tape. I didn't do the corners. It's a circle here because you know it's the round old thing, but it's not a huge deal. We're just gonna put some clear coat on it. I just don't want to clear coat the whole thing, and I want to get some experience taping things off. So there you go.
Let's do this.
The life. Here we are in the paint shed, but for right now, we're doing this. So, get some clear coat. Say what you will, that looks really, really good. Here we are. That looks really good. Like even if you get way up close, focus here. Only like little tiny little things, and you can only see that if you're zoomed super far in. Like from the eye, like it looks like a custom hand painted like logo, but that's it. It doesn't look like it's bad or whatever. I'm a little bummed. You can kind of see the corners there with the clear coat. I was worried if that was going to be an issue or not. Turns out it was. But it's okay. You really, again, from the eye test, you can't tell. You can only tell by zooming that in. So that looks so good. There you go. That's more or less what it's going to look like. That looks really good. I really like that actually. I really do like that a lot.